In this question, we can skim down and see that the question is asking us for an assumption of the argument. A critical assumption can be identified as one which, if false, destroys the argument. Therefore, we can evaluate the answer choices by seeing each in turn, negating it, and seeing if it destroys the argument or makes the argument false, the conclusion false. Moreover, we know what the conclusion is easily because it's marked by the opinion word therefore. The conclusion is that Paesi is doing the most it can do to stimulate the economy if it increases spending. Let's try negating the answer choices, starting with A. Say there were not substantial work projects. That would be harmful, but there might be other ways to stimulate spending. So A is probably out. On to B. What if increasing spending had to be done on a specific timetable? That would possibly, but not automatically, be a problem. So similar to A, B is out. We can scratch C as irrelevant. Whether or not the government has to stimulate the economy is a separate question from what the best way to do it is. On to D. If we negate, what if both methods could be used together? The prompt does not specify that these two measures are mutually exclusive. That appears to be an assumption. And if they aren't mutually exclusive, the government might not be doing the so-called most that it can do by just stimulating. So D is in. We can look at E. E is irrelevant. The argument concerns only the best way to stimulate, not whether to stimulate or how important it is to stimulate. So E is out. The correct answer is D.